Music. Need cash fast? This is my CreditCube Express loan review. Find the link below. We'll cover features, ideal borrowers, and my personal experience, so you can decide if CreditCube fits your needs. CreditCube offers quick, short-term loans from $100 to $5,000, perfect for unexpected expenses or bridging financial gaps. Their online application takes minutes, with decisions often within hours. Approved funds typically arrive the next business day. Need cash urgently? CreditCube delivers. They also welcome a range of credit profiles, making them an option even with less than perfect credit. Transparency is key. See all terms, including rates and fees, upfront, no surprises. Plus, loyal customers get reduced rates and flexible terms. CreditCube offers a simple, fast, and flexible loan solution, ideal for medical bills, car repairs, or other urgent needs. As always, carefully review the terms and repayment schedule. Ready to learn more? Application link below.